My name is Caroline Russell. I'm with Sotheby's International Realty. I've been with the brand for 28 years. I've been with Sotheby's in Santa Fe for 20 years. I'm rather a rarity. It's my first career. It's my only career. I have a real pride about being part of the Sotheby's family. We have many people who come to our marketplace from other locations, and it's really rewarding and fun to fulfill those dreams that people have. It's a very emotional business. I pride myself on providing excellent service regardless of the price point. Most of my business is referral business, and it's based on people I've helped in the past. Having those relationships that continue through time, it's pretty special. I help people find their Santa Fe dream.